It's a big day for Picture Perfect on YouTube because guess what we reached? 100 subscribers.
100 subscribers!
100 subscribers! If I knew many other languages, I would say 100 in all of those languages, but I don't. So 100. We're all super excited. Everybody is really pumped. That's a little sad, but I'm so excited on a professional level to have so many people, triple digits, interested in what information we have to share regarding the health and turf care of a fescue lawn. To celebrate this victory and milestone for Picture Perfect, we've thrown together a blooper reel of sorts that shows primarily Brandon and Roger having a really honest but hard time when it comes to talking about our lawn care services, things like fertilizer and mowing, and bless their hearts, they have been awesome sports trying to help me with it.
I'm Brandon, head of Picture Perfect's Fertilization. Hey, I'm Brandon. Nope. I'm Brandon, head of Picture Perfect's Fertilization Division and one of the owners.
What exactly is Lyme? This is the part where you need to be able to answer that with confidence. What exactly is Lyme?
Lyme is used.
Hey, ask me questions about cakes and stuff too. We taking my lady to this fancy restaurant. We going to that new Waffle House down South Crater Road.
It's recording.
Oh. What a goof.
Honestly, no. It's not a blooper. Is it recording right now?
Yes!
Definitely. We train our applicators to knock on the door when they. Nope. Can't even do that right.
You ready?
Yeah, lay down those rhymes.
Look, when I don't come to your house and mow your lawn, that means there's water there and you're probably gone. Now I see why it's so hard to make movies. Like, I see why they have so many takes when they make movies.
I'm giving it my best shot.
What are you?
God, definitely quiet.
You
And his face lost all expression. We're gonna play the game, boy. You gotta learn to play it right.
Can you?
You got to know when to fold.
Okay, so just say that part.
Okay. Say it again. Yeah. No?
Perfect.
Okay.
Alright, one more.
I don't want to sound like dumb.
Awesome.
Daddy asked me why I did it. I made it right round when I told him for the chicks dig it. Katie's probably recording you singing right now. What you can do, you can sing while you're on camera, you can answer questions.
I am done with quotes.
I need you to look at the camera. I'm a Picture Perfect client, and I've got some questions about my lawn.
Call Katie.
We talked about what you can check out here. Thanks. That one was good. Just do it again, in case you can do it better.